Hello, good morning, children. Welcome back to the online classes. Let us continue the grammar lesson tenses. Already we discussed about simple future tense in the previous session. Let us list out few more examples. The simple future tense indicates an action that will happen in the future. It refers the actions which are not taken place yet. The future tense is formed by using the helping verb will or shall with the base form of the verb. The formation of simple future tense is made by using will or shall as auxiliary verb along with the main verb, the V1 form, right? Here we have few examples. The dog will bark at the mailman, means postman. The dog will bark at the postman. I will clean my room. I will fold the laundry. I will work hard. She will mop the floor. These are the examples for simple future tense. In these sentences, the action is not taking place or it is not taken place, yet to take place, right? All these sentences indicate that the action has not happened yet, but it will happen in the future. It is used to describe events that are likely to take place. Simple future tense is used to describe actions or events that yet to take place are likely to take place. Helping verbs shall or will are used with the first form of the verb. Helping verbs shall or will are used along with the basic form of the verb, that is V1. Here we have the description which has examples for simple future tense. India shall have a great future. There will be a time when people will realize that corruption will not help them. People will erase all boundaries within India. The country and its resources will belong to all of us. Politicians will not divide us, and people will unite to become true Indians. Here, some sentences are examples for simple future tense. Identify them. Next, here we have an exercise. I will read these questions. You have to write them in negative, right? Change these sentences into negative. We will travel to the Mars. Second one, Bob will have lunch with me tomorrow. I will play football with you. Next one, Mr. Green will work in a library. They will have a party next week. Sam will go to the disco tonight. I will travel to Antarctica. The party will start at 7:30. Here we have a few more. You have to choose the verb form along with auxiliary verb shall or will. Complete these sentences by using auxiliary verb and the main verb which is given next to that sentence. He dash a business next month. The verb is start that you have to use. Second one, she dash the fine tomorrow. Right? Third one, I dash to Spain. There is negative word, along with that you have to use the verb. Next one, I dash a novel tomorrow. Fifth one, will you dash me a favor? You have to use the verb form, it is in the question form, right? Next one, I dash you at 4 o'clock. The mechanic dashed my car. The students dashed the exam. The gardener dashed the seeds in his garden. Lastly, the students dashed books in the library. You have to use the auxiliary verb along with the main verb listed beside it, right? This is the exercise on simple future tense. I hope you can do it. In the next session, I will start by giving these answers. Thank you. Have a nice day.